Hello friends, welcome to ExamBird, your study partner. In this video, we will discuss the most important current affairs of 28th February. The first question is, Rear Admiral Tarun Sopti takes charge of Eastern Naval Command. The question is, where is the headquarters of the Indian Navy's Eastern Fleet? The correct answer is Visakhapatnam. The Indian Navy's Eastern Fleet is headquartered in Visakhapatnam. And talking about Indian Navy, the Chief of Naval Staff is Admiral Karambir Singh and the Commander-in-Chief is President Ramnath Kovind. Next question. Google Cloud India has partnered with which company to drive cloud adoption in Indian business? The correct answer is Tata Communications. Google Cloud India had partnered with Tata Communications. And talking about Tata Communications, it is headquartered in Mumbai and the CEO is Amur Swaminathan Lakshmi Narayan. Next question. Which bank has signed a $68 million project for improving education in Nagaland? The correct answer is World Bank. World Bank has signed this project. Talking about World Bank, it is headquartered in Washington DC, United States, and the president is David Malpass. Next question. Which state receives the award for fastest implementation of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana in the year 2020-21? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh received this award. And this award is given by Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Narendra Singh Tomar. Talking about Uttar Pradesh, the capital is Lucknow, the governor is Anandiben Patel, and the chief minister is Yogi Adityanath. Next question. Who has been appointed as the global brand ambassador of Levi's? The correct answer is Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone is appointed as the global brand ambassador of Levi's. Talking about Levi's, the founder is Levi Strauss. The CEO is Charles V. Berg and it is headquartered in San Francisco, California, US. Next question. Which city will set up India's first undersea tunnel? The correct answer is Mumbai. Mumbai will set up India's first undersea tunnel. Next question. Which country becomes India's top trading partner in 2020? The correct answer is China. China becomes India's top trading partner in 2020. Talking about China, the capital is Beijing and the president is Xi Jinping. Next question. Who becomes the youngest woman to row the Atlantic Ocean? The correct answer is Jasmine Harrison. Jasmine Harrison is 21-year-old from United Kingdom and she is the youngest woman to row the Atlantic Ocean. Next question. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Kasaragod solar power project and the Pugalur-Thrissur power transmission project. These two projects are located in which state? The correct answer is Kerala. These two projects are located in Kerala. Talking about Kerala, the capital is Thiruvananthapuram, the governor is Arif Mohammad Khan, and the chief minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. And some national parks of Kerala are Eraviculam National Park and Silent Valley National Park. Next question. Who will be the new Director General of Military Operations of the Indian Army? The correct answer is Lieutenant General B.S. Raju. Lieutenant General B.S. Raju will be the new Director General of Military Operations of Indian Army. And talking about Indian Army, it is headquartered in New Delhi. The Chief of Army Staff is General Manoj Mukund Narwane and the Commander-in-Chief is President Ramnath Kovind. Next question. RBI has appointed which rapper to spread public awareness on cyber frauds? The correct answer is Virus. And he is a Punjabi singer and rapper and he is known for his hit song Bum Vole. Next question. Who has been appointed as the US Ambassador to the United Nations? The correct answer is Linda Thomas-Greenfield. Linda Thomas-Greenfield is appointed as the US Ambassador to the United Nations. And talking about United Nations, it is headquartered in New York, US and Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. Next question. Kushinagar Airport becomes the third international airport of which Indian state? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. This became the third international airport of Uttar Pradesh. And the Union Civil Aviation Minister is Hardeep Puri. Next question. Government will launch a campaign to eliminate which disease from India by 2025? The correct answer is tuberculosis. Government will launch a campaign to eliminate tuberculosis. And here are the answer to the quiz of previous day. The first question was, which is the first country to receive COVAX vaccine? The correct answer is Ghana. And the second question is, which city of Madhya Pradesh would be renamed as Narmadapuram? The correct answer is Hoshangabad. And here are the questions for today's quiz. The first question is, which country launches Green Pass for COVID-19 vaccinated people? And the second question is, whose autobiography is Stories I Must Tell, the emotional journey of an actor? Write your answer in the comment and I will share the correct answer in the next video. And if you found this video helpful, like and share, and also subscribe to our channel Exam Droid for daily current affair updates. Thank you.